Best scented car wash soaps clean effectively while leaving a fresh fragrance, enhancing driving experience and maintaining a pleasant car interior environment. My today's video is about top 5 best scented car wash soaps that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. The Chemical Guy's Hero Car Wash Soap, CWS_402_16SW, stands out as a top-tier solution for enthusiasts seeking both performance and finish quality. Its thick foaming action works exceptionally well with foam cannons, creating dense suds that encapsulate dirt and grime, minimizing the risk of swirl marks and micro scratches during washing. This makes it ideal for maintaining a flawless exterior on paint, glass, wheels, and trim. What truly elevates this formula is its pH balance composition, ensuring it cleans effectively without stripping away existing wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings. That means your car's protective layers remain intact while still achieving a deep, glossy clean. Versatile in use, it performs equally well in foam blasters or traditional bucket washes. The lubrication it provides enhances glide, reducing friction and improving safety. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance soap that combines cleaning power with protection-friendly chemistry. Now our second product is Panda's Professional Detail Auto Shampoo. Pearl Car Wash Soap from the Rennie Doyle Double Black Collection delivers a premium detailing experience built around performance and care. Its high-foaming, ultra-slick formula produces thick, clinging suds that lift dirt safely while maximizing lubrication, significantly reducing the risk of swirl marks. Whether used with a foam cannon, pressure washer, or hand mitt, it consistently provides a smooth, scratch-free wash. The pH-balanced and 100% biodegradable composition is a major advantage, cleaning effectively without stripping wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings. It's equally gentle on your hands, preventing dryness or irritation during longer wash sessions, something many soaps overlook. What sets Pearl apart is the refined user experience. The refreshing lemon scent replaces harsh chemical odors, making each wash more enjoyable. Backed by decades of detailing expertise, it delivers professional-grade results with ease. For enthusiasts who want safety, shine, and a more enjoyable wash routine, Pearl is a standout choice. Our third product is Chemical Guy's CWS8036 Cleaning Car Wash Soap. This deep surface cleanser car wash soap is engineered for one purpose: complete decontamination before applying new protection. Unlike standard shampoos, it aggressively strips away old wax, sealants, and residue, exposing a truly clean surface. This makes it an essential prep step for detailing, especially when installing fresh wax, paint protection film, clear bras, or vinyl wraps. Its maximum cleaning power ensures embedded grime and leftover product buildup are fully removed, allowing new coatings to bond directly to the paint. The result is longer-lasting protection and improved durability of whatever you apply next. While it's not designed for routine maintenance washes due to its stripping strength, it excels as a reset solution for neglected or heavily layered finishes. For detailers and enthusiasts aiming for a flawless base before protection, this soap delivers professional-level results. It's a powerful, purpose-driven formula that prioritizes surface readiness over temporary shine. Now number 4, Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. The Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash is a premium, all-in-one solution designed to clean and condition in a single step. Its standout feature is the rich blend of paint conditioners that revive dull finishes, leaving behind a deep, radiant gloss that looks showroom-ready. This makes it especially appealing for those preparing their vehicles for events or simply wanting that polished, just detailed appearance. The biodegradable formula produces thick, clinging foam that easily lifts stubborn dirt, road grime, and contaminants without excessive scrubbing. When used with a foam cannon, diluted 5:1, it delivers a professional-level wash, though it's equally effective in a traditional bucket setup. What truly sets it apart is its ability to clean without stripping existing wax protection. You get a thorough wash while preserving your car's protective layers, something many strong soaps fail to achieve. Overall, it's a versatile, time-saving product that balances cleaning power with finish enhancement for consistently impressive results. And our last choice is Waveserk's Salt Neutralizing Boat Soap. Epic Wash Plus is a purpose-built marine wash that goes beyond basic cleaning to actively protect your watercraft. Its advanced salt-neutralizing formula is the highlight, quickly breaking down and removing salt deposits, minerals, and grime that can otherwise cause corrosion and long-term surface damage. After each outing, it restores vibrancy while leaving behind a noticeable high-gloss finish. What makes it stand out is the added CO2-based protection. As you wash, it forms an ultra-slick hydrophobic layer that repels salt water and contaminants, helping them slide off easily. This built-in ceramic-style shield also guards against UV damage, oxidation, and fading between washes, extending the life of your boat surfaces. Application is refreshingly simple. Just spray with a foam cannon, let it dwell briefly, and rinse. It's safe across gel coat, paint, metals, plastics, and more. Being biodegradable and non-toxic, it's also environmentally responsible. Overall, it's a smart, all-in-one solution for maintaining and protecting marine finishes. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.